Sometimes you need to fit a lot of text into a shape in Lucidchart. You can see that I tried to type this sentence, but it started to spill out of the diamond shape. Also, you might have times when you want to add a new paragraph inside a shape. You'll see that if I hit enter, I get kicked out of the shape. That can be frustrating, so I'm going to show you a quick trick for getting your text to fit properly in Lucidchart. To start a new line in a Lucidchart shape, just hit Shift and Enter. That will prevent you from being kicked out of the shape. In the diamond, I can hit Shift and Enter to fiddle around with text and make it fit better without resizing my shape. You can see here that I used Shift and Enter and started a new paragraph. If you want to try this out yourself, I've made a copy of this document in Lucidchart so you can practice making text fit in shapes. For more Lucidchart design tutorials, check out the full design playlist on our channel. If you have questions or requests for a new Lucidchart design tutorial, let me know in the comments. Happy diagramming!